You might be noticing that you haven't been receiving Messenger notifications as before. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger notifications. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight and open the Settings app. And from here, click on Notifications. And as you scroll down, you should be able to see a list of apps. So just find Messenger from here. Just keep on scrolling, and here is Messenger, so tap on that and make sure that you have allowed notifications by having this toggle button green. You should also set up your alerts as you like so that you'll be able to receive an indicator that there is a notification, so through banners, notification center, and through your lock screen as well. Now there is also you can also set sounds, badges for that particular notifications, and for a more detailed customization for notifications, let's click on this Messenger notification settings at the very bottom, and it should redirect you to the Messenger app settings. And make sure that you have not toggled on the do not disturb mode for the Messenger app so that you'll be able to receive the notifications in a more timely manner. And you can also opt to show previews or not, so you can customize that, as well as the text tone and the new friend notifications, and if you want to receive or hear sounds and vibrations while using the app. So that is how you can basically fix Facebook Messenger notifications. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.